it's Anna from Duomly, and welcome in our next episode. Today, I'm going to explain you what is programming. Computers are a huge part of our life today. They are everywhere. In retail, banking, traveling, we are building self-driving cars and robots. But why? Computers have a lot of advantages. They are cheap, they are fast, they can work 24 hours a day, and the most important, they do everything what we will tell them to do. For this, we need a way to communicate with them. By interacting with computer programs, we are giving them kind of instructions. And these instructions needs to be translated. And here it comes, programming. We can understand programming as a way to instruct computer to perform different tasks. When programmers are creating the app, they are coding a series of commands. This code is written in programming language, which is in most cases human readable. To let computer understand it, it needs to be compiled to a machine language. Machine language is a sequence of 0 and 1s. And this is what our computers understand. Let's summarize. Programming is a creative way of building and executable programs which can perform specific computing tasks. I hope you liked the video and now you understand what is programming. Don't forget to subscribe our channel with this button, give us a thumb up and leave a comment what else you would like to see. Also follow us on our social media. All the links you will find below the description. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye!